Bay leaf tea, a dive into benefits and Ayurvedic practices. If you're looking to enhance your health naturally, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on herbal remedies and wellness tips. Bay leaf tea, made from the leaves of the Laurus nobilis plant, is an aromatic beverage that has been used in various cultures around the world, especially in Mediterranean cuisine. However, its benefits extend beyond flavor. Bay leaf tea is also a treasure trove of medicinal properties that perfectly align with the principles of Ayurveda, the ancient science of life from India. What is Ayurveda? Ayurveda is a traditional system of medicine that seeks to balance the body, mind, and spirit. It is based on the idea that good health is achieved through harmony with nature and an understanding of the doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Each individual has a unique combination of these doshas, and Ayurveda offers personalized practices to maintain this balance. Bay leaf tea in Ayurveda. Bay leaf tea is considered beneficial from an Ayurvedic perspective. The leaves of the bay tree are warm and dry, making them ideal for balancing Kapha and Pitta, especially during cold seasons or in humid climates. Incorporating bay leaf tea into your diet can help maintain the harmony of the doshas, promoting overall health. Benefits of bay leaf tea. Digestive support. Bay leaf tea is known for its carminative properties, helping to relieve digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and indigestion. The leaves contain compounds that stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, facilitating the digestion of food. Anti-inflammatory action. The compounds found in bay leaves have anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation in the body. This can be particularly useful for individuals suffering from arthritis or other inflammatory conditions. Antioxidant properties. Bay leaf tea is rich in antioxidants, which help combat free radicals in the body. This can contribute to the prevention of chronic diseases and promote heart health. Calming effect. The aroma of bay leaves is often associated with relaxing properties. Drinking bay leaf tea can help alleviate stress and anxiety, promoting a sense of calm and well-being. Respiratory support. Bay leaf tea is also traditionally used to relieve symptoms of colds and congestion. Its expectorant properties can help loosen mucus and ease breathing. Contraindications. Despite its many benefits, it is important to be aware of some contraindications when consuming bay leaf tea. Here are some considerations. Pregnancy. Bay leaf tea may not be safe for pregnant women, as it can stimulate uterine contractions. It is always advisable to consult a doctor before consuming any herb during pregnancy. Drug interactions. Bay leaves can interact with certain medications, especially those affecting blood clotting. If you are taking anticoagulants or diabetes medications, consult a healthcare professional before adding bay leaf tea to your diet. Allergies. Some individuals may be allergic to bay leaves. If you experience any adverse reactions after consuming it, such as rashes or difficulty breathing, discontinue use immediately and seek medical advice. How to prepare bay leaf tea. To prepare bay leaf tea, simply follow these simple steps. Ingredients: 2 to 3 dried bay leaves, 1 cup of water. Instructions: boil the water in a pot. Add the bay leaves and let steep for about 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and serve hot. You can add honey or lemon to taste. Conclusion: bay leaf tea is a delicious beverage packed with benefits that align well with Ayurvedic principles. Incorporating it into your routine can help promote digestive health, reduce inflammation, and provide a calming effect. However, as with any herb, it is important to be aware of possible contraindications and consult a healthcare professional if necessary. In the pursuit of balance between mind, body, and spirit, bay leaf tea can be a valuable addition to your wellness journey. Try bay leaf tea today and experience the benefits of this ancient healing wisdom. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips and herbal insights.